Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Ammar Sharif and I'm gonna be talking on the topic numerical computing today. So we're gonna discuss the meaning of the word numerical computing, we're gonna discuss the application of numerical computing, and we're gonna discuss some real life examples of this. So coming on to the meaning of the term numerical computing, what does this mean and what's it gonna do? So the term numerical computing refers to the use of computers to solve problems involving real numbers. It's like we can use a device to solve the mathematical operations, such as device like calculator, scientific calculator, or we can use a software on our PC, like software like MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, or MATLAB. It can like solve any equation within few seconds. Calculator can perform any arithmetic operation and gives the answer within a few seconds. Coming on to the application of numerical computing, it's usually used in computer science for root algorithm. So what does this mean? It means that we can get the square root or cube root and we can calculate it within a few seconds. Like it's very difficult to calculate the square root or cube root of a big number like 3-digit number. We cannot calculate it by writing or in our mind. It's basically like we can use the calculator or put the value in the software and we get the answer within a few seconds. It is used to determine profit and loss in the company. So in the company, it's like real big calculations, and the person, it cannot do it through writing or in their mind. They gotta use a software to calculate the profit and the loss in the company. So it's basically like calculations, but it's within a software, and that is what numerical computing means. And coming on to the next point, it's like solving practical technical problem using scientific and mathematical tools. Exactly, that's the point. Scientific calculators and calculators are used to solve mathematical problems and equations. Coming on to the real life examples of the term numerical computing, the application of numerical methods in real life. So this is the real thing. It basically shows that the term that we can put the whole equation in the calculator, and the calculator is going to give us the literally answer in a few seconds. Like the answer consisting of the decimals, and the answer can be like anything. It can be of many terms, like it can consist of pi, like e, which gives its value is 2.71, and it goes so on. So we're gonna talk on the more applications like estimation of ocean currents. Like it's like the how much area does the ocean cover. It can be calculated through only the applications, and it cannot be calculated by a person. Next point is modeling of airflow over airplane body. It's like aeroplane, how much high it's gonna go on the means y-axis. It's how it's gonna go high and how it's gonna land. This is calculated through the softwares and the calculators. It cannot be calculated by a person. Coming on to the real life application of the numerical computing, it basically means that the area of mathematics and computer science application of algebra. Of course, the quadratic equation, like the basic example is the quadratic equation. We can solve the quadratic equation within a scientific calculator within a few seconds. Like we just have to put the value of x, the value of y, and the value of z, and we get the answer within a few seconds. And the next one is geometry. So geometry is like we can calculate the area of a triangle. Like the formula, we can put each and every value in the formula and we get the answer. The next second we press the equals to button, we get the answer. Calculus, okay, so it's like we can differentiate an equation or we can integrate an equation and we get the answer within a few seconds. Like differentiation takes like 5 seconds to get the answer, and integration will also take like 3 or 4 seconds to get an answer. It's really great. Like we do it from our mind. Like writing, it takes like 5 to 10 minutes to solve it, but the calculator helps us a lot. Okay, so this is all from my side, and thank you all so much.